In this video, we're going to discuss an easy way for you to find the most profitable niche for your recruiting agency in 2023. Hey, what's up YouTube? It's Natasha, the business recruiter. Welcome back to my channel. So as mentioned, today's video is really going to focus on how you can find a profitable niche for your recruiting agency in order to ensure that you're optimizing the time, energy, and effort that you're putting into your business. Ultimately, you want to make sure that you start off strong and choosing a niche that is actually going to be able to yield you significant results in terms of the amount of business and or revenue that's available for you to generate is going to be key. Now, ultimately, you don't have to just narrow down to one specific niche, meaning that you can have multiple niches out there that might be of interest to you. You want to ensure that you actually take the time to explore all of those opportunities before you ultimately narrow it down to maybe one or two that are considered to be your primary focus, especially in the beginning. The worst thing that you can do is actually set yourself up for failure by limiting yourself in terms of the industries or the niches that you're focused on, meaning that it's important that you keep it extremely broad in the beginning. That way, you're able to yield the best possible results for your recruiting agency. So let's jump right in with taking a look at Google Trends. This is one of my favorite tools that I continuously leverage in terms of being able to determine what is the market telling me in terms of a particular niche or a particular industry. So let's jump in and see how you can actually leverage Google Trends to your advantage. Okay, so as you can see, we are on the Google Trends homepage, and you can see that there's a couple popular searches that have already populated automatically just to give you an idea of what Google Trends can actually do. And if you actually do scroll down a bit, it has some topics that have actually been more recent, such as the fact that we're in February, so it's Black History Month, as well as the fact that the Super Bowl has recently happened as well. So with that being stated, we're going to scroll to the top and we're actually going to take a look at a particular niche and ultimately determine really where is the demand in terms of this particular niche. So for the sake of this example, we're actually going to go ahead and type in nursing. And as we type in nursing, we can see that there's a couple filters that have actually populated. One of the main filters is going to be the fact that our location is set to the United States automatically. If you're not located within the US, then you do have the option to actually click here and then scroll or type in the particular location that you want to look at. And also keeping in mind that you do have the opportunity to take a look at worldwide results as well. One of the other main filters that's at the top is going to be the time frame. And this is something that you can also adjust. Maybe in order for you to be able to get a really good sense of a particular niche, you want to take a look at the past 12 months. Or maybe for some reason you want to actually take a look at how that particular niche has been performing more recently, considering all of the market volatility as well as uncertainty that has been happening within the latter half of the 2022 year going into 2023. So with that being stated, you do have the opportunity to actually choose what that looks like, including a custom time range. And then if you scroll down a little bit further, what you can actually see is this particular trend line. And ultimately, this represents interest over time, meaning is this line going down or is it going up? As you can see, there's been some dips in terms of nursing. However, ultimately, it is continuing to be on the rise compared to where it was, let's say, all the way back in February of 2022, around the same time last year. Now, if we scroll down even further, we can see that it also breaks down interest by sub-region. And this one is really important because it gives you an idea of where that interest is falling from a state perspective. Now, keep in mind that we have defaulted to the United States, so it's going to show you the states where interest is high. You can also take a look at this from the opposite side, meaning the states where interest may be low. And ultimately, it gives you the opportunity to see that Mississippi, Rhode Island, Kentucky, Arkansas, and Ohio are the highest in terms of where nursing is being searched. Ultimately, this could be a good indicator that there's an opportunity for you to recruit within these states and maybe have a higher chance of putting a client under contract because of the popularity that's associated with those states as it relates to nursing. And if you scroll down even further, you can see some of the other topics as well as questions that have come into play in terms of actual results associated with searching nursing. Now, if we scroll back up to the top, we'll see that there's actually another box here. And this box allows you to be able to compare another niche. And ultimately, you can do as many as you like. I typically like to look at 2 or 3 at a time. So for the sake of this example, let's say that we actually want to take a look at construction right along with nursing and see how they're trending. As you can see, what it did here is it kept our filters the same. So we're still sitting at the United States in terms of our search results, as well as the past 12 months. But what you can see is that interest over time now is showing not only nursing in blue, but it's also showing construction in red. And you also do have the opportunity to add another item if you would like. Now, taking a look at where that interest lies, you can see it's actually pretty similar in terms of where the trend line is falling. However, nursing, from the perspective of where we are today, is leading in terms of interest in comparison to construction. Now, if we scroll down even further, we can see that that same sub-region breakdown is also done within the comparison factor. So we see that Mississippi, West Virginia, Rhode Island, Kentucky, and Ohio are listed here from a nursing perspective. But if we switch to construction, we can actually see that the most popular states that are associated with that search is going to be Montana, Idaho, Oregon, Washington, and then Utah. So it gives you an opportunity to see, okay, where is the interest at and where would I want to focus on in terms of potential clients that you would want to work with, but also potential candidates in terms of the requisitions that you potentially would get from working with your clients. And again, you can scroll down to get even more information in regards to nursing as well as construction and ultimately what some of the popular topics or searches are. So I'll scroll back up to the top. That way you can see that you can add as many searches as you like, meaning that you can add as many niches as you need to in order to make that determining factor of where you want to focus your time. Ultimately, this is going to be extremely important because you want to ensure that you're putting your time, energy, and effort into a niche that's ultimately going to yield you results. Well, I hope that you found this video to be helpful. If you did, then be sure to give me a thumbs up, as well as if you are not in my Facebook group, then I encourage you to join because we're still in there talking all things recruiting. I'll be sure to leave that link down below in the description box, as well as if you are interested in getting my free contract template, I'll also leave that link down below in the description box as well so that you can get that and start getting clients as soon as possible. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.